Hello, everybody. It's Johan here again. Oh, yes, like I want to come and tell people again about this business opportunity. People, it's all for all South Africans, and I want to urge you. Yes, like man, yes, see, I'm telling you, you can start earning good money. But yeah, it is all about the spending habits. You know, we all got spending habits, and we want to earn while we spend now. So yeah, now here's an opportunity for you. You can become a member for only 200 Rand once off, and that's it. And then as soon as you joined us and you start to get the training and you do whatever you need to do, you will start earning a passive income. Yeah, really passive income from just buying groceries through your new vendors or the old existing vendors, the Pick n Pays, the Dis-Chems and the Shoprites, and even Takealot and all that. People are in under this deal what is happening here. So all you need to do is to change your ways of purchasing, and instead of using your credit card, you're using the code. So yeah, but what I want to do is I want to invite you people to go to my Linktree link setup, and I've structured there the training for you. The first one is how the business is all about. The second one is teaching you how the business layout is. And the third one is the Zoom session with my upline with Mr. Rian van die Kerk, and he tells you exactly how to do and follow the steps, and listen to that. I know it is annoying and all that, but at the end of the day, you will benefit from it. Trust me, you will benefit. I've benefited also because I didn't have any money. I didn't have nothing. And I started to use this code, and all I do is you got this Bitcoin wallet, and then you add your groceries money into it, and then you use that to at the merchant like Pick n Pay, and then you still can use your Pick n Pay card for it, for getting your points and all that, or your X card for checkers and all that. But the only thing is you use the coin code what you're getting from Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin Wise code. But yeah, you have to be a member, and then what we want to do is to help you to get the passive income out of that, because as you get members joining you, and as you purchases and people purchase through their groceries, you're getting a passive income from that. But I want to urge you, please go to that Linktree of mine, go to the bio in TikTok, or go to my Linktree in the description in the YouTube comments, or in my Instagram, or even go to my Facebook. You will see that you're going to get the link there. Follow the steps as I put it out there. Watch all the videos, please, and get trained, get yourself educated. And as you're getting forward, you will come and join the last link. You can just click on that, and then you join us. And then I will make sure that you're going to get your Zoom sessions, because we do Zoom session trainings. My friend Rian, my upper man, he's the man who's giving the training. So go and take a look at the videos, and please, I urge you to come and help yourself. You will see you will earn a lot of money. And you can earn every Friday. There's 4 times a month that they pay out. So, and then if you got bonuses, even on the 7th of each month, you're getting paid. So every Friday is payday, and then all the 7th of the month is also payday. So yeah, go and get your friends together, get your family involved, and yeah, start building your own online business for only 200 Rand, once off membership. And then you can come and ask me. I will guide you. I will give you the links through as Rian pass it on to me. And yeah, and then you're getting your training, and you get involved. So just take that action, and come and help yourself, and then use your groceries to get yourself income. And yeah, tell a friend about it, and tell your friends to come and join. Tell a family to come and join. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's nothing like to do with anything with scams or anything. It is totally out and about for yourself. It's just to help people to make an extra income. Okay, so you use groceries money, go and look at the videos, go and look at the training, and you will see that on that training, you will see what it is all about. So I invite you, go and take a look at it. It is on my link tree in the bio in TikTok, and it's on description links in my YouTubes and in my Instagram and in my Facebook. I urge you, from me as Johan, I welcome you, and I'm looking forward to see you, and I know you're going to be around soon. Okay, have fun, and have a good evening. Hey, thanks. Hey, ciao, ciao, bye.